Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to create this beautiful colorful makeup look. So without further ado, first I'm gonna be using this Pixie Beauty Vitamin C serum, and next I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer to give that smooth base for my foundation application. As usual, my favorite foundation, that is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. I'm going to use it and blend it with the makeup sponge, which is my absolute favorite from Flume. Next, I'll be using this Pack Take Cover Concealer under my eyes to brighten it up, and also a little bit on the nose bridge, Cupid's bow and chin area. Setting this whole concealer as well as the foundation with this Sugar Banana Compact. It's so handy. Also, it comes with a mirror, so you can easily carry it around, and it's definitely mattify your base. I'm going to fill up the sparse area in my brows with a Muscular Eyebrow Pencil, and next I'm going to prime it up and correcting the brow line with the Gerard Cosmetics Eye Base. It's the Clean Canvas Eye Base, which I absolutely love. And after blending it very nicely, I'm going to set it out with the same compact which I have used earlier. So today I'm going to use this Morphe 35B palette. First, going to take this matte purple shade. Next, I'm going to top it off with the blue and blending it out. Also, I'm going to apply the sky blue shade on the middle of the eyelid. So I'm going with a rainbow eye makeup, and that's why applying some green, some yellow, orange, as well as some red color. And finally, I'm going to use this Nykaa gel liner. This is the Just Wink It gel liner, applying in the outer corner of my eyes, especially in the outer V area, and cutting my crease with this liner. And it's looking absolute beautiful cat eye makeup, and little by little I'm just blending it out with the smudger brush. And yes, also applying some shades to my lower lash line to add some flash of color, and finally coating my lashes with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is my holy grail mascara, which I absolutely adore. And I'm going to finish my other eye makeup, and we'll be back to the face makeup. I'm applying some contour. This is the K Beauty cream contour. I'm just cutting my jawline, my nose, my jawline, as well as my hollows of the cheeks, and blending it out with the makeup sponge which I used earlier. And I'm going to set my cream contour with the powder contour of the Sugar Contour de Force face palette, and applying it to the hollows of my cheek, my jawline, and applying some flush of peachy pinky shade to my cheeks. And yes, I really love the color. And finally, the highlighter from the same palette on the highest point of my face, like nose bridge, my Cupid's bow, my chin, and finishing up the lipstick with the Sugar Matte Attack Transferproof Lipstick. And yes, this is in the shade Tan Helen, and this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video. Until next time, bye.